Dave Ramsey has one of the largest radio shows in the United States, and Dave is well known for his 7 baby steps to financial freedom and Financial Peace University. So what does he have to say about saving money on your home insurance? Well, stay tuned. Hi everyone, Tia at Trailstone Insurance, and today I'm better than I deserve because Dave Ramsey is going to help you save money on your home insurance. So let's jump into 6 ways to save on your home insurance. While you definitely don't want to cut corners on something like homeowners insurance, there are a few ways you can save some money. First, bundle. We've all seen the TV ads, bundle and save. Although it gets old, it's true. You can save money on your homeowner's insurance by bundling it with your auto policy. Second, improve safety features. By simply installing things like burglar alarms, smoke detectors, or deadbolt locks, you can sometimes score a discount. Third, be careful about claims. If you file too many claims, it could increase your premium. Think through how many claims you make, especially on small repairs. Fourth, increase your deductible. You could save money monthly on a lower premium if you raise your deductible, but only do this if you can afford a bigger deductible from your savings. Fifth, check for better rates. By not shopping around once in a while or having your insurance agent check for you, you might be leaving money on the table. Trailstone Insurance Group is a Ramsey endorsed provider, and we can provide a quote from one of our 40 insurance companies to help save you money. Sixth, pay your mortgage in full. If you're able to pay off your house, one nice bonus is that your insurance premiums will drop. Sweet. So how should you actually go about getting homeowners insurance? One way is to shop around and buy it directly from a carrier, but this can take a lot of time and still leave you without the best protection in place. With so many different coverages and add-ons, it's easy to miss one you need or accidentally buy one you don't need. What if you could delegate this to someone else? Well, you can. By working with an insurance agent who is part of Dave Ramsey's Endorsed Providers Program, you can work with an expert in the industry and make sure you have the right coverage. Trailstone Insurance Group is Dave Ramsey endorsed, and we can shop for you to get you the best protection at the right price. Start saving now, click the link below, and get your quotes.